Let's talk about Silit 1,529,602,201 insert basket 19 centimeters. Contents: 1x insert basket 19 centimeters, height 13.5 centimeters. Item number: 2,131,263,241. Material: Cromargan stainless steel 1810, polished dishwasher safe, easy to clean, tasteless and acid proof. Suitable for all pressure cookers with 19 centimeters. This Silit insert 19 cm basket is a really superb piece of German cooking equipment, exceptionally well made and strong with a well-shaped handle to allow for lifting and drainage and also for hanging on the wall. The mesh is easy to clean if you follow the instructions in the accompanying booklet, but should you encounter any problems, the seller's customer services department is very helpful. So far there is not a lot more I can say about this item apart from it's easy to use and I would thoroughly recommend it. Bought to use with Instant Pot as a steamer, and it's ideal for using as colander too for salads. I also use it as a steamer in my ordinary pan. Versatile for an egg basket too. The perfect size for my much loved 6-liter Instant Pot. Very well made and cleans well in the dishwasher.